Hi everyone. One of the things that I want to talk about with the S&P 500 here is, look, it's very simple when the markets are rising to just think, hey, everything's fine, vaccines, blah, 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 blah. Just a note of caution with all of this. Of course, we have had since March this trek up, a little bit of a wobble, and then gone up again. All right. Now, looking since 2015. And I want to look at this measure of momentum that we have here, or just the measure to which the extent to which the price of the market keeps rising. Okay, I won't go into any more complexity than that, but it just measures to what extent it keeps rising. And we know things can't relentlessly go up. And when it's got to these levels before that it's at now, okay, in the past, what tends to happen when it gets this high, and the technical term is overbought, what tends to happen, is, well, you get a bit of a break, okay? You get a bit of a break, right? You can see it there. You get a bit of a break, and indeed, you can see it there. Right, now, I'm not saying it's going to be that December's going to be a negative month. If anything, it may well be quite bullish, and these things could continue upwards. I'm not trying to gamble on timing the market or which way the market's going to go. What I'm saying is that as ever, I have to allow for the fact that, yes, of course, everybody looks a genius when the market's rising and everything goes up. But should we get a move down, I'm not saying it's going to happen, then the kinds of stocks that I want are the resilient ones, which have strong earnings growth, consistent cash flow growth, valuations which are not overstretched, sales growth, profits growth, dividend yields, all these things which protect against the stocks going down too much and recovering sooner, right? It's not about how much you make when the markets go up. Any idiot can do that. It's how much you get to keep when the markets fall that makes the difference. Okay, that's what makes the difference, whether you're going to be rich or poor in these periods, right? So it's the ability of the stocks not to fall so far and to rebound sooner that we want. Basically, ticks, those kind of stocks. And those are the type that I focus on for everyone. Okay, so for those who are looking to gamble on, well, Alpesh, I think vaccine means this, or I think Brexit means this, or whatever. Okay, I'm not here to gamble. My perspective is resilience in case of down moves. They'll happen. And of course, we'll enjoy the upside. But we're not here to gamble on the news. If I want to do that, I get far better odds from ladbrokes.com, okay, than I do from the stock market.